Hello, everybody. This is Reverend Brandon. We're going to be on here in just a few moments for our weekly YFM chat. I've got a storybook I'm going to share with everybody and little meditation. So we'll start all of that here in just a few minutes. And so the story we're going to take a look at today, I'm going to be sharing the story I'm Gonna Like Me. It's by Jamie Lee Curtis and Laura Cornell. And these two have quite a few stories like this that I would recommend all of them. They're all wonderful, wonderful stories. But we'll be taking a look at that story and talking about how we can let off a little self-esteem of our own, and then spending just a little bit of time in meditation. So as I know with these Facebook Live videos, it takes just a little bit to get everybody connected. So we'll give you all just a few moments to connect in, and then we'll start reading. Well, we'll just go ahead and begin with the story, I'm Gonna Like Me. And I will do my best to read upside down. I have learned this is a skill librarians have that I am slowly growing into. But I'm going to like me. I'm going to like me when I jump out of bed from my giant big toe to the braids on my head. I'm going to like me when I grin and I see the space in my mouth where two teeth used to be. I'm going to like me wearing flowers and plaid. I have my own style. I don't follow some fad. I'm going to like me when I climb on and wave, and the bus pulls away, and I'm feeling so brave. I'm going to like me when I'm called on to stand. I know all my letters like the back of my hand. I'm going to like me when my answer is wrong, like thinking my ruler was 10 inches long. I'm going to like me when I'm sharing my lunch, because just like bananas, friends come in a bunch. I'm going to like me when I jump up so high, I'll twist and I'll stretch straight up to the sky. I'm going to like me when I fall and get hurt, and mess up my elbows and pebbles and dirt. I'm going to like me when I don't run so fast, then they pick teams and I'm chosen last. I'm going to like me when I do the right thing and return what I found, even when it's a ring. I'm gonna like me when I'm feeling strong. I'll walk with a smile, arms swinging, legs long. I'm gonna like me when I sit with my mom and make a get well card for my sick friend, Tom. I'm gonna like me when I get something new, even if Grandma makes octopus stew. I'm gonna like me when I make a mistake and put out the candles on Dad's birthday cake. I'm going to like me when I open the box and smile and say thanks, even though I got socks. I'm going to like me when I try a new task. I bring in a plate before I am asked. I'm gonna like me when I clean in a flash and play with my brother and take out the trash. I'm going to like me when I cuddle up tight and know as I'm sleepy, I'm safe and all right. I'm gonna like me because I'm loved and I know it, and liking myself is the best way to show it. I'm going to like me, I already do, but enough about me. How about you? And so I would just encourage all of you to remember that, no matter what you have going on, that there are things within each one of us that we can like, that we can love about ourselves, and that we can share with the world. So whatever that is about yourself, know that that's your gift to share. And so right now we're going to have just a little bit of time to think about how it is that we're one with Spirit, and how we can share those things into our world. So I would just invite you, if you would like, to relax, to close your eyes, to breathe in and out. And again, breathe in and out. And now think of the wide open sky at night. See all of the stars in the sky and watch them twinkle and blink. There are so many of them, millions and millions of stars. You think you can almost see every one of them. And now imagine that you are one of those stars, surrounded by millions and millions of other stars in the night sky. By yourself, you are a little spark of light up there. Together with all the other stars, you are a part of this big body of light, the light of Spirit. Feel yourself now floating in that space. And now say to yourself, I am a light in the universe of God. And again, I am a light in the universe of God. And now say to yourself, I am in Spirit, and Spirit is in me. I am in Spirit, and Spirit is in me. Spirit and I are one. Spirit and I are one. And we know that to be true as we bring our attention back to wherever it is we're sitting in this moment. We wiggle our toes, we wiggle our feet, and we open our eyes. And so thank you all for joining me for just this moment. We will be back on Sunday. We'll, of course, have our daily word posted for the next few days. Then we'll be back on Sunday with more ways to interact. Following the service, we'll have another discussion, and then after that, I'll be back with another youth and family lesson and another meditation. So until we see each other again, I hope you all stay well and know that you are the light and the love and the expression of Spirit. God bless you all.